Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to cancel Temu order after shipping. So if you have placed an order and it has already been shipped and now you wish to cancel, then unfortunately you won't be able to cancel it through the app since the order has been shipped. So the best thing that you can do is go to your orders and then just wait for the item to arrive. So just wait for it to get shipped and arrive, and once it has been arrived, then you can go to your orders. So go to your account, go to your orders tab and simply select the order and then hit on the return and refund option. So when you hit on the return and refund option, all you have to do is simply scroll down and follow the on-screen prompt and get it returned. So in that way you'll be able to cancel the order after it has been shipped. So you just have to wait till it arrives on your end. So once that's done, then you'll be able to cancel it, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this information was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.